you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a dog.
It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Smokey Bro!
Oh, goodness, Dad!
It was horrible! I'm in my own business when this human child rode me with its telepathic control. It made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own.
Oh, boo, we gotta get you home.
Come on, this way!
We are at the scene, number one. Take on unit, get with your spread out and lock it down.
There's nothing down here.
Be on the lookout for this child. We have a 23
Nice. Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sulley, hurry up! I've got both doors set up on the scare floor.
Done yet, boo?
Race you to the scare floor.
They'll never find her door now.
Look, boo, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo. Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now. It's been the most terrifying day of my life. But I love you, kiddo.
Kitty's got it going